just found out something really funny. So I'm just gonna start searching up all the Afton families. Do first. So it's normal. That was correct. It is true. So look, see, people say that it was weird. Okay, next one. Let's do who is what? Who's Vlad? What? Vlad is the recurring character in FNAF CL and also a vampire? Wait, what? What? No! That's a TV show. Mind. Next one, let's do Mike. Oh. Who is my... I don't think anyone's ever typed this before. Let's see. Oops. What? No, oh no, I want to know who it is. Michael's wife. But it says... Wait, what is this? What am I trying... This is Michael Afton? Oh, it doesn't say. Yes. Is he real? Oh, someone else is he real. Oh my god. No, he wasn't the bite victim. People type silly things. Who did... He killed Chris. Sad. Yeah, we know that. So, who's the cutest FNAF character? Obviously, Bonbon. Blue Boy's not cute. I think Bonbon's cutest. Toy Chica is ugly. So... Yeah, he is dead, you idiot. Okay, let's just go into the next one. Who is... I already know this one, but it's really hilarious. Oh my god. You won't believe what I said when I put it. I meant husband. Don't mind me saying that. Don't mind me just putting wife. She doesn't have one, I already typed it up. Chris Afton is her wife. I mean it. Oh my god. Chris Afton is her husband. Oh my god. Now let's see. I think it'll be Elizabeth. Who is... Wait. He's in a movie? I'm so confused. It didn't say this last time. I am literally so confused. It didn't say that last time. Last time it said Elizabeth. Oh, there you go. There it says right there. Ha ha hee ha ha. Oh my god, if someone does a video on this, I'll be happy. Okay, that's all of them. Is Terrence real? People say that there's a Terrence. What? There's a Disney film of this? Let me see. Is there actually some kind of movie of this? What's this frick? That doesn't look. Get out of here. I end this stupid video.